welcome to ScholarLogic, your weekly updates on job openings. These are the job openings for this week. Company BOEING. Job role Associate Programmer Analyst. Experience Freshers. Company Lenovo. Job role Front-End Developer. Experience Freshers. Company DHL. Job role IT and Operations Security Specialist. Experience Freshers. How to apply for these companies?
At ScholarLogic, we don't just train minds, we shape careers. Join us to turn your aspirations into achievements. Enroll now.
Please like and subscribe for weekly updates on job openings.